The day Iceland's Laki erupted marked one of the most catastrophic volcanic events in recorded history, not just for Iceland, but for the entire planet. When the Laki fissure, also known as Laki erupted in 1783, it triggered a global chain reaction of death, famine, and climate chaos that lasted for years. What happened? On June 8, 1783, the ground in southern Iceland split open along a 25-kilometer fissure, and Laki began erupting violently, spewing an estimated 14 cubic kilometers of lava, one of the largest lava flows in human history. But it wasn't just the lava. Over the next 8 months, Laki released a toxic cocktail of gases into the atmosphere, including hydrogen fluoride, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide. These gases mixed with the atmosphere to create a deadly volcanic haze that spread across Iceland and far beyond. Immediate impact on Iceland. About 50% of Iceland's livestock died due to fluorine poisoning from contaminated grass and water. This caused the Mjörndin, or mist hardships, a famine that killed around a quarter of the Icelandic population. Rivers were poisoned, crops failed, the sky darkened. Iceland's ecosystem was devastated. Global fallout. The impact of Laki didn't stop at Iceland's shores. Europe. A dry fog descended over Europe that summer. People described the sun as blood red, and the haze made it hard to breathe. In Britain and France, it caused respiratory problems, killed thousands, and damaged crops. Climate disruption. The massive release of sulfur dioxide created acid rain and lowered global temperatures. The volcanic winter that followed caused famines and harsh winters in North America, Europe, and even parts of Asia. France pre-revolution France. In France, failed harvests following the eruption helped deepen the economic crisis and food shortages, which some historians believe contributed to the French Revolution just 6 years later. Scientific significance. Laki is considered one of the most significant eruptions in modern climate history. It's often cited as an early example of volcano-induced climate change. Modern volcanologists use Laki as a case study to understand how volcanic aerosols can alter global weather patterns. How bad was it? The Laki eruption is estimated to have caused the deaths of over 6 million people globally, directly and indirectly, due to famine, disease, and respiratory illness. That puts it in the ranks of Tambora, 1815, and Krakatoa, 1883, as one of the most devastating volcanic events in recorded history. Lasting legacy. Iceland still bears the scars of the eruption, both physically and culturally. It reshaped landscapes, inspired sagas, and remains a chilling symbol of nature's raw power. Laki showed the world that a local eruption can have planetary consequences. The day Laki erupted wasn't just a natural disaster. It was a global turning point, a moment when volcanic fury plunged the world into ash, mist, and hunger, proving that even a remote fissure in Iceland could alter the fate of empires. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe for more historical oddities videos. As always, thanks for watching.